Hey guys, today I want to talk about this Anker Power Strip surge protector. It got 12 outlets and 3 USB ports with flat plug. And it got 6 feet extension cord and the power IQ for your iPhone and Android phones. So when I tap on this button, it may look like a little bit flimsy, but actually is a overload protection with automatic shutoffs. So you can see there's 3 rows of plugs, and there are 3 USB ports, and they're the fast charge ports as well. Each port has 12 volts and 3.1 amps. So it's gonna fast charge your phone. And you can see the detail of this model, so feel free to pause. Alright, there you have it. Enjoy.